Oh well, yeah. Yeah, 30 years. Is Expo for me? Okay, stay on the phone. Oh, she's not coming? Okay. So can everybody come on this side and we'll let these guys... I told her give us a minute. We'll let the toasters be over there. Toaster strudel?
Yum!
Okay, I lost my paper at the bar. I wrote down what I was going to say, but so just growing up in a big family, especially with a lot of girls, it can be hard. But we definitely had more good times than bad,
For sure, for sure.
And I wish she was sober for my time.
You know how she is.
So anyways, so like when I was growing up, I was more like the middle child. Joanna and Mona were like twins, or like a year apart. And then Shorty, Connie, and Millie. Shorty was like 5 years younger than me. And then Lonnie, she had other parents. I mean, I don't know. Okay, anyway.
It's not your day.
Anyway, I was like by myself most of the time.
Hey, we were there in the summer.
Until Mona went and she left because she got married, and then Joanna and I got to share the room together. Right. Remember that? Yeah, I remember. And that was like one of the most special times of my life. Because when you're the little sister, you always look up to the older. And one of the best things about Joanne is she has so many sisters, and the reason why she's like the best oldest sister is she makes us all feel like we're the only ones. So I'm happy for you. Everything's good. You deserve the best, not better. And I'm just so grateful to call her my sister. Because we think we're twins. Anyway. Well, I love this girl with so much of me. She does so much for all of us, like all the other girls said. So anyways, raise your glasses for your classic cup. And toast to...
Cheers!